Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you guys the die sets that I am using together for my very first project using the KSCRAFT April release. And I also wanted to show you guys all of the pieces that I have ready right here. And I haven't glued anything much yet. I did glue one couple pieces and I just left it as is so I can show it to you guys before I put it all together. But I wanted to explain how many of the pieces I cut out to do this project, and at the end I am going to show you guys my finished project. So for my very first project, I have used the cat paw mini album set. I have used the cat tree mini album set. I have also combined it with the ice cream parlour set, which I have used on so many occasions, and the bag is now getting old. And then I have also used only one part, which is this pocket part here from the Christmas house pockets. So let me show you all of the pieces I have ready. So for my very first thing I did was using the cat tree mini album set. I have made this particular piece and I have so enjoyed it. Like, I'm not a pet person and I never will have a pet because I'm allergic to animal danders and things. But honestly, this was such a cute, fun project for me to start off with. I wasn't sure which one I was going to tackle first, but my eyes kept going to this particular cat tree mini album, and then it led from this point to my ice cream parlor set. So I have made this one using the glitter gold cardstock to back all of my little layering pieces. So all of my little cats have the back double layered piece of the gold glitter cardstock. Then for these little houses, I have also done that as well, as you can see. I decorated using some bow mini stickers from Hobby Lobby that my friend Alicia got me. And then I also did use the animal word stay positive. I only cut out these two so that it's particular for my project I'm working on. So the rest of the set I will share with you guys in another video. But I really love the sentiment stay positive. So, and then also for the tiny ball that's included, I'm pretty sure this is a dangly ball for the cat to play. I hope I'm right because I'm not a cat or dog person. But I just thought that was a ball and that's meant to dangle so that the cat can play with it. So I did double layer that particular piece as well. I added a pink enamel sticker on top to make it pinky and pretty. I did use this really nice iridescent bow flat back pieces which I got from Kmart here in Australia. And then I decorated this cat with the double heart stickers. And then for each of the level of the tree, I did use the brown foam, and I really love the effect because that kind of gives me that feel of that furry cat tree feel, because I know I've seen one of them at a friend's house long time ago. So I decided to use the glitter brown foam. And this large piece, which is a one piece, I double layered that also with the gold glitter cardstock, as you can see. And I really love how this has turned out. So I have this big piece to decorate my ice cream parlor. So for my ice cream parlor, what I have done so far is I cut out this one piece. Then I cut out the awning part, the base, and the layering piece. Then I use the hotel, Hotel, because I am making a cat hotel. So I thought that was a really fun idea. And for my ice cream parlor base, the biggest set included in the set, I have cut out one for the front cover, one for the back cover, which is going to be this color here. Okay. Then I also had to cut out two of the this pattern paper here for the inside of my book. Okay, then I also cut out this really thick cardstock to sandwich in between my front and back covers to make it extra sturdy. So in total, I have cut out 6 of the biggest piece in the ice cream parlor set. Okay, then using the pocket from the Christmas house. So this is the piece that I cut out, and I cut out 2 of these. Okay, then you just have to fold it like this, like accordion fold, and then you add the glue here, here, and here, and then this is going to go on here. Then you know what I'm going to do? I'm creating a pocket for the inside of my book so I can include embellishments. So what I did was I also used the cat paw mini album. So I cut out the biggest piece twice because I want to have pockets on both sides. So I cut this out twice, and then I cut all of these pieces included in the cat paw mini album twice. So 2 of the brown, which is the largest piece. Then I cut 2 of the stitch layering piece using this paper here. Then I cut out this one for the very top layer, but I also thought it needs a little bit of a sparkle and bit of a dimension, so I cut 2 of the glitter pink foam. So the glitter pink foam is going to show through like this when I glue it onto the pocket. And this is going to go right on the pocket like this. So the reason why I chose this Christmas house pocket is, as you can see from the back, it covers the width of this cat paw mini album and it hides the pocket. So it's almost like invisible, but you can see little tiny bit of it, but it's almost invisible. So when you open the book, you're going to see this pocket, and I'm going to have enough room in there to fit lots of different embellishments. So I have all of those pieces ready. Then for my spine, what I'm going to do, you guys, is I want to show you this piece here. So I measured from here to here. So that is, let me show you how tall that is. It's 6 3/4 tall. Now the width of this cardstock I cut out a thick cardstock, is from here to here is 2.5. So it's 2.5 by 6 3/4 tall, and I scored on each side 1/2 inch at 1/2 inch mark. Then it gives me this. So this is what I'm going to use for my spine, okay? So let me show you how it's gonna be. So I'm going to add the glue here, and then I'm going to sandwich these 2 pieces here. I'm gonna add glue, attach it to here, sandwich it, so it's nice and strong, okay? Then this is where I'm gonna be adding my front part of the cat hotel, and this is how it's all gonna be. And it's going to be super fun when it's all finished. So I am gonna go off and glue everything together, and I'll be back with fully finished project. Okay, you guys, I have completed my Stay Positive Hotel. This is just a really fun project that I thought of instantly, pretty much, after making this first lot of the Cat Tree album set. This one is such a nice size. I absolutely love this so much. It's a really great size, and of course you can turn it into mini album, but I used it as part of my cover for my Cat Hotel pocketbook, and I love this so much. So if you guys follow all of the pieces that I showed you and the spine bit, it is really easy to do, and you can use the same concept and use it for any other theme. So instead of adding the cat tree at the front, if you were doing a Halloween theme, you can do Halloween things on the front. You can put doggy theme instead of a cat theme. So many different ways to use this ice cream parlor set. I just love it so much. So for my closure, I have decided to add this crimp end onto the back and to the front, and I also used the pink chain, as you can see. Then I have used the lobster clasp to close it. So let me just open it for you. So you take it out like this. Now for my chain, I have attached 3 different enamel charms. I am using all of the things that I have in my stash, and I'm trying to make it super fun. So I got to use those. So inside, when you open up the pocketbook, it's like this. This is where the cat paw becomes a pocket. So I love the size of this cat paw, and you guys look at this. So much room to add mini embellishment packaging in there. I love this so much. It's a really fun, easy to make project, and you can definitely do it if you look at all of the pieces that I shared with you at the beginning. So let me show you up close again. Here's the word hotel. Then I put stay positive. Really, really fun project. And then because I used the stay positive word, I decided to make the animal shadow words. So I'm gonna quickly show you what's included. So you have fur rend. Then we have sloppy and treats. Then we also have I woof you, hello, stay. Then we have the doggy, kisses. And then we also have your positive. It is just so fun. And there is possum as well, which I got to use on another project, and I will share that with you guys in the next video. Now, while I was making this tall cat tree mini album, KSCRAFT also has the smaller version. So I used the smaller version and I turned it all into pinky tone to make this card. Now this card base is from the this set here, this Wavy trifold card. Now I made a 3D project with this Wavy trifold card, which I will share with you guys in the next video. And in this set, there are so many wonderful shapes that you can utilize to do so many different things. The first project I wanted to make was a shaker card, and I used this largest shape here. So inside this Wavy trifold card, you get two layering pieces for each sizes of the Wavy design. But instead of separating them, I put two different layering pieces together still, and then I die cut it to give me the frame. Then I used the clear vinyl sheet that I had, and I backed it onto this large base of the Wavy shape. So let me just quickly show you what I mean. So you have this shape here, right? So then you have the base shape of this, and the base shape is where I used the pink pattern paper. And so I put the vinyl on there, stitched 3 sides, filled it with my sequin, closed it. Then I glued the frame on there. Then I glued the mini size of the cat tree. And I decorated the top with the pink bow. And I also used, you get tiny pieces of the mice included in the set, right? But I decided to use that as part of the ears, as if it's like a Mickey Mouse head. And I was also going to mention that if you guys are Disney Mickey Mouse lovers and Minnie Mouse lovers, you can use this cat tree to decorate it in Disney theme. I think that would be really fun to do. I like Disney, but I'm not a mad Disney person, but I made a pink card. But I am suggesting to all of you guys who love Disney theme, you can definitely use this cat tree mini album set and the littler one, and turn it into a Disney Mickey Minnie theme as well, I reckon. So I have double layered all of the cats. And I even tried inking. I tried to ink it to give it a little bit of a more interesting pink look. And then this word smile is actually included in this Wavy trifold card set. So you get smile, and then you also get a party one and a hello one, I think. And then I just added this wavy pocket here, but I glued the 3 sides so that this front part of the card also is a pocket. So I can actually include some other things in there if I were to gift this. And then with the base, I just used the largest rectangular piece that's included in this card set. And then I folded the paper big enough to make me a card, the A2 size card. So that's what I also got to make, as well as my cat hotel pocketbook. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to sharing with you more of my fun projects. Bye for now.